For you. If you're in a car crash and you're not at fault, you may be able to get insurance money for more than just the repairs. Now, earlier this month, Massachusetts' highest court ruled that in some cases, automobile insurers are liable for your vehicle loss in value as well. NBC 10 consumer investigative reporter Leslie Gatiss has the details.
A recent ruling by the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court could impact you if you're a vehicle owner who is in an accident where you're not at fault. In a recent ruling, the SJC said that insurers that are liable for the cost of the repairs for a vehicle damaged in a crash also have to pay for its loss in value. Kevin McCullough was the lead attorney on the case.
It's a huge win for consumers. Consumers now have the ability, after being involved in a collision that may be completely someone else's fault, to be able to not only have their damages repaired, but also to receive compensation for that loss in value that the vehicle suffers as a result of being in the collision.
The court ruled that standard auto policies issued in Massachusetts require compensation for what's called the inherent diminished value, the amount by which the market value of the repaired vehicle is less than the market value of the vehicle before the accident.
Those types of damages are recognized at car dealerships and on Carfax, and any consumer knows that if you go to trade in your vehicle after it's been involved in a collision, the dealership is likely to offer you or pay you less in value because your vehicle now has less resale value on an open market.
The ruling only applies if you're not at fault, and the burden is on you to prove that your vehicle has lost value. So you'll have to do a little legwork.
There's Carfax that consumers can use to get the value of your car. There's Kelley Blue Book you can use, and you can put in the type of car you have, the year, the make, the model, and the number of miles, and the type of accident. And you could put both of those scenarios in there and get two prices. It could mean a lot of money for some people.
The SJC ruling takes effect immediately, so if you're involved in an accident where you're not at fault, it's on you to present a claim for the inherent diminished value damages. Leslie Gatiss, NBC 10, Boston.
That's good.